Hello everyone, and here with us is All India Rank 1 Civil Service Examination 2024, Shakti Dubey. Shakti, congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Shakti has been a student of Vajiram since a long association, I will say. She's a student of the General Studies Pre-Cum Mains program. She's also a student of Short Mains Test Series. She was also a student of the Current Affairs program and finally not to miss out the Interview Guidance program. So much about her. Let's try to understand her journey and about her. So Shakti, to start with, how was the journey all about?
A very long one, I would say, because I started my preparation in 2018 here as a foundation batch student, and finally I'm again back here 6 years later. The life has come full circle finally. I post-graduated actually in year 2018. After that, I came to Vajiram and Ravi, as the name has always been there. So we came here for the foundation course. Then after that, I went back to my hometown, that is Prayagraj, and I started my preparation there. First 3 attempts, I couldn't clear the prelims itself. That was really heartbreaking for me. But then in 2023, I cleared the prelims, I cleared the mains, and I went to the interview, missed the cutoff by 12 marks. And then this is my 5th attempt here, where finally clearing all the hurdles and here at AIR 1.
Super. That's a super one. I think civil service is all about that journey.
Yes,
and it's perseverance only which pays at the long run.
Yes.
Wait, before going into the details of it, so let's start one by one. So you were a part of the GS program.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell us in brief, like, how was the program, what you liked, what helped you? I mean, how it was a part, a building block, a foundation of your preparation?
I think usually non-humanity students will relate with me, because the thing here is that since I had a life science background, I was totally unaware about the humanities like history, geography, polity, etc. And that is why I had decided to join the foundation batch. But here's, I think specifically for subject like economics, I would like to name some of our teachers like Jayan sir and Shyam sir. They did really phenomenal job, because they made economics really very easy for me. Then talking about geography also, because that is quite a bit conceptual topic. We need to go through the techniques. So that's why in that Manocha sir really played a very good role in that. Other subjects were also really good. The thing is that here in foundation batch, we cover the basics. That is once done, the foundation is actually made, then we can build up upon that.
Absolutely.
And that is based on, that does not require, I think, coaching per se, but Vajiram and Ravi has been still there even during my mains preparation, during both my attempts, 2023-24, and here I am finally.
See, the whole point is how strong do we make a foundation? Once that is built, then over and above that, we can always work out.
I would like to add on to this is that since I was very clear once I completed my foundation batch that अच्छा UPSC के लिए क्या required है,
right.
And that helped me in picking up the things even from current affairs or from even from social media sites we get these days, basic छोटी campaigns, or even you get some advertisement. हाँ, so from there also I realized अच्छा ठीक है, if this is something that I've studied in my foundation, it means this needs to be a part of my, as an example, as a case study, wherever I can add. So I think foundation was one thing that really
was. confidence भी आता ना कि मुझे पता है ये क्या है, ये पढ़ा रखा है.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, तो शक्ति इसको आगे कर ले जाएं तो जैसे क्लास के नोट्स होते हैं, how helpful are they?
I think obviously sir won't really remember me, but Manocha sir was one who used to always look at me and say कि when I'm explaining, don't write. It was his, I think maybe if he follows that today. But I was the one who believed in noting down everything that's been told in the class. Because then that is how I used to go back home and that pictographic memory used to run. So even when teachers are telling or explaining, I used to go with those running notes. And then I think very good summary or handouts are anyway given to the students. But creating self-notes, value addition specifically from the previous year questions and mapping it with the syllabus is two things that I would suggest that every student should do on their own and not wait or basically rely कि everything will be done here. कुछ अपना self work, hard work तो लगता है, self study, हाँ, that is required. You cannot rely solely on any external source for this examination.
क्योंकि वो एक हद तक ही आपको हेल्प करेगा ना, उसके ऊपर का जो क्वालिटी एडिशन है वो तो आपको खुद ही करना पड़ेगा.
Direction is what I'll say मिली यहाँ से, वो बहुत अच्छी मिली. On that I build upon and yeah.
Great, and that we can see today. अच्छा Shakti, just taking it ahead, you're a part of the mains test series also.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Sure.
So as a senior student, like when you appear for a year or two, where you actually bank upon is test series.
Yes, sir.
That is because that is where you learn कि quality addition कैसे होना है, current affairs का integration कैसे होना है, लिखना कैसे है. तो how did you work out on that? Here क्या मिला, कैसे रहा?
Because 2023 was my first mains where I was completely clueless कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं, and that year I think but I think ये join किया test series मैंने, and we had those regular feedback sessions.
GS
we had GS. I was enrolled for the GS thing. I had that regular feedback session. After every copy that was checked, we had those mentoring sessions going on. So उससे पता चलता था what is wrong, where I should add on, what is the changes I need to make, etc. So it went like that, and I really scored good in GS last year. Also, it was 435 marks in GS 1, 2, 3, 4. But I think I lagged in the optional, and that was the result. But this year I was actually well off in my GS. कि ठीक है, GS तो पता था. I joined the main sure shot program just because there was those 12 full length tests, so I could go for that fast paced like revision and appearing for tests, and they were 12. So every month, the 3 months was properly covered. On every weekend I wrote one test, and that's how I completely covered my
How
syllabus.
was the feedback of the mentor helpful? Like,
I remember that initially, because when the results were out this year for 2024 prelims, I was very much stuck with a thought of like focusing specifically on optional, and I was ignoring my GS. I was not writing the test when I received a call from my mentors कि आप GS test नहीं लिख रहे हो, and that would cost you this attempt again. So I think ये guidance एक proper उनका, because they keep a check that we are writing test or not, and after every test there was like how I could modify my intro, how my body could be more relevant. They also told me like some points we think कि relevant है तो लिख दो, but you need to understand that for UPSC we need to be very much updated with the current thing. If we keep writing those old examples that have come a long way, they anyway become redundant, and everybody is writing that. You need to stand out in mains answer for every 1 or half marks that we talk about. So this is one, I think, guidance that I got from here that helped me enrich even my GS1. Like GS1 we think is a very static subject क्योंकि history geography है, but वहाँ पे भी I was given like one viewpoint की give a current intro. Like I'll give an example, even if it's Cholas, it's that old. फिर भी अगर चोलास का कुछ भी चीज न्यूज में रहा है, like in G20 we had those things from Cholas, we were
picking. तो कुछ contemporary mention.
हाँ, कि mention it.
Which changes your answer to a different quality level altogether.
That basically shows that the examiner, that you understand the relevance of Chola Empire. Why we are studying it for the UPSC? You need to understand that, and I think this is one thing that helped me this year make my mains answer a bit more enriched. Well, marks आएंगे तो I'll get to know, but I think it was anyway better than the previous year.
Absolutely, otherwise rank 1.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, apart from that, जैसे main stress series में एक syllabus completion होता है पूरा. That was all done for you.
Yes, sir. This was a part of the like test series है. अब GS1 अगर है तो I have 1 week time to wrap up things from history, geography and society, and that's how I worked upon it. लेकिन साथ-साथ में जो smart current affairs was a part of that. I joined it for my mains. It was because I know that certain subjects, specifically GS3, GS2, they're so current oriented that we need relevant data, relevant facts, relevant information, schemes, and I think in that smart current affairs also I basically I can vouch for Chayan sir because he did a phenomenal job, because this year economic survey was out in July, and he covered it in so beautifully. That helped me in GS paper 3, agriculture ho, even social issues mein, in society also I use the schemes on education health, because a question on women and women empowerment was asked. I picked up the schemes from there, data from health, education, and he has mentioned kya data have women ka, that specifically I picked up and mentioned it. That made my answers very much multi-dimensional, क्योंकि आप cross paper linkages develop कर रहे हो GS1 में 3 में, and then that is how I think smart current affairs was, I think, one of the wisest decision of mine to because see static तो सबको पता है, अगर चोलास का क्या basic I think if you're seriously preparing सबको पता है, लेकिन current में चोलास में क्या था वो जानने के लिए you need to be updated with the current affairs. So
current affairs plays a very important
role, and mains is something you cannot get through if you're not very thorough with your current affairs.
And we don't read newspapers generally, so current affairs program becomes really important.
Because mains के time में इतना time नहीं होता कि आप 1 घंटा 1.5 घंटा न्यूज़पेपर पे दे रहे हो and you're picking up those articles and noting it down. It's much easier anyway to like get a guidance जहाँ पे some people who have experience of years, they are coming up with those relevant things.
Yes. So that helped you conquer your mains, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's come to the interview program, right? One program which is very close to me also.
Yes, sir.
So you are a student and I still remember almost our conversations.
Yes, sir.
So how was that helpful?
I think last year when I came to you, completely clueless, sir, पहला interview है कैसे होगा and all. And
I remember that.
And I remember that you asked me certain questions also. कि I wrote writing poetry as one of my hobby, and you started asking कि आपका favorite poet कौन सा है, tell me a poem, and I was like, sir, prepared नहीं है. And you saying you cannot say that. There can be questions which can be very random, which you have not prepared for, and you can never say, sir, अभी prepare नहीं किया है. You should have some or the other balanced answer prepared for it. So, but last year anyways, I think interview भी थोड़ा ठीक ही था on an average side. But this year, when I came to you with last year experience, sir, ये चीजें हुई थी. So we had a conversation, a detailed DAF discussion that what kind of questions can be asked, and how again because I'm from Prayagraj, questions related to Kumbh and all that you told कि पापा पुलिस में है तो कैसे ये चीजों को आपको टैकल करना and everything.
पूछी गई?
बिल्कुल, because it started with Kumbh, that you come from city of like अभी बहुत बड़ा religious gathering हो रहा है, and that's how sir started the question itself. And then crowd management, stampede, and even fire वाला एक incident हुआ था. They went on to that. So many opinion-based question, I would say, and that was really very close. No bias, but really close to one of those mock that I gave. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले I was discussing with those panel member. Yeah, I was discussing that कुछ mocks ऐसे होते हैं. I think we go for giving relentless mocks कि हो गया है free है तो देते हैं. But I tell you that they will distort your preparation because some mocks I encountered, they were really good. One of them being Bajiram and Ravi, others were also good. But there were some which were totally factual. They're asking some facts, and you then will derail your preparation now preparing for the facts.
Absolutely, because आपको ऐसा लगेगा मेरे को
अच्छा ये भी आता ही नहीं है. They're asking things like भाई अब आप बताओ कि भोजपुरी कौन से कंट्रीज में बोली जा रही है, कौन से देश में. अब okay, all right, but no offense, but you need to be very much relevant with the DAF. You need to ask things like that. So I remember that here also questions were very opinion based, and my main interview went opinion based. Similarly, there was not a single question where I was confident while answering. I'll say why, because when you are giving an opinion, you don't know if a person will resonate with that or not. Questions on urban apathy, questions on that in Delhi elections were going on. There were questions on should education qualification be made a criteria for election of MPs and MLAs, a very debated topic. It went on till that. Then we went to PSIR, since it's my optional. It went for relations between India, Pakistan, India, China. And India, Nepal and China, they placed with respect to Mandal Siddhant. And they asked me to refute the Mandal Siddhant theory by that. Because Nepal being a neighbor and a friend, and China being a neighbor and an enemy for us. So it went like that. But I think board members, I got a good, gesture were all very positive. But still I was scared that...
I remember you giving the mock here and we sitting outside watching it live.
Yes, sir.
Because that's what we do to give you the feedback.
Yes, sir.
We were like, अच्छा यहाँ पे ये ऐसा बोलती थी तो शायद ज़्यादा अच्छा रहता. And then we were counseling, right? So it works out. Basically, if you work on each nitty-gritty of your DAF, end of the day interview is all about what kind of a person you are. जो DAF में लिखा हुआ है.
हाँ, and I think यहाँ पे कुछ fake करने का scope होता ही नहीं है. I'll tell you because they are sitting right in front of your face. If you're making things up, they'll understand. And I remember because that time a very turmoil situation in the IR, like India, Bangladesh, एकदम प्रॉपर पॉलिटिक्स चल रही है. इंडिया चाइना ब्रह्मपुत्र पे डैम बना रहे हैं थिंग्स, एंड आई केम टू यू सर आईआर में बहुत डर लग रहा है, व्हाट शुड बी माय ओपिनियंस, एंड यू हर्ड थिंग्स एंड यू वर लाइक हाँ जो तुम बोल रही हो इट्स गुड, इट्स बैलेंस, जस्ट ऐड दीस थिंग्स. सो या दैट आल्सो हेल्प्ड अ लॉट.
It helps a lot. Anyways, end of the day the result also matters, right?
Yes sir.
Acha. So let's go to the next one because we have n number of things to discuss and students want to know n number of things. So now you mentor students at Bajiram, right?
Yes sir. Yes.
It's been good number of months also you have been doing.
I think 7-8 months.
Yes, 7-8 months.
Yeah.
Now tell me something. These students which we have who are preparing, who got the same classes what you got,
yes sir,
who are getting the same test series what you got,
yes,
who will get the same interview guidance what you got.
Yes sir.
Quality remains intact since the last 50 years.
Yes sir.
Where do you think they miss out? कहाँ पे लगता है कि इनको मिस आउट कर देते हैं या फिर कहाँ पे वो करना चाहिए ताकि they can also hit a good rank in a single attempt or something like that?
During these many years, I've encountered almost 100 students that are coming to us. Some new, some old, some even of J batches जो पिछले हमारे they are coming because mentoring is allowed for all, so they come and visit us. The only thing I found here is that students are way more confused, and the only reason for this is too much of strategy floating in the market. They themselves are not very sure, not very confident on their own strategy. I think एक चीज the students need to keep in mind is that any way you go, your target is just one, clearing the exam. The minimum number of sources we keep, the repeated number of revisions we go for, and we keep the focus on our basics. ठीक है, UPSC is all about 3 things: GS, current affairs, optional. अगर ये 3 चीजों पे आपने अपना with minimal resources we have stuck to it, I think that would help them anyways. Because I see students coming here and they are like कि ये भी पढ़ ली अब और कुछ बता दो, ये भी पढ़ ली, ये भी पढ़ ली. You don't have to you don't have to collect things. I did that initially in first 3 attempts and I failed miserably. If anybody will ask me कि my weak subject was history, actually I was very bad at that. And talking about, if you see my book list, that is the lengthiest for history only. And now I realize the reason why it was. Polity, we have just one fixed source.
We keep on telling them in the class, one book, multiple
revisions.
Focus on yellow book, that is more than enough. More than enough. You don't have to do anything for that.
Yeah.
But the point is, n number of strategy in the market, plethora of information. Sir, ये भी पढ़ लेता हूँ, वो भी पढ़ लेता हूँ, वो भी पढ़ लेता हूँ.
I'll tell you, and also that I'm also telling a strategy today, or I may tell it in future. But आपको ये समझना होगा, it's not going to apt for everybody. Students who have gone for multiple attempts might resonate with me. People who are in first attempt will not resonate with me. You have to understand things कि हर कोई अपनी strategy बता रहा है, जो उनके लिए work किया. It might not work for you. But one thing that will definitely work for everyone is NCERT कब से basics करना है. बहुत minimal. We have to have a book list. We should go for repeated revision. We need to be very thorough with the previous year questions. The themes that have been asked, the terms that have already appeared in the paper are something you cannot miss out again. ठीक है. Second thing also, I think that here we have those camp programs and all. उसके बारे में I would like to say that they train your mind for that aptitude ना, जो MCQ solving वाला एक aptitude होता है. That it's not always if you go in exam you'll never know 100 questions. You'll know 20. You'll know 25 max to max. Remaining 10 questions are not to be attempted क्योंकि वो ऐसे ही होते हैं कि आप नहीं attempt कर सकते. But then comes those 50 to 60 questions where you need to have your knowledge, you need to have that aptitude, you need to use that peripheral knowledge of other subjects as well to solve the question. And I think that students need to focus on.
So let's talk one by one. I think good amount of information we have. For example, let's start with NCERT.
Yeah.
Now NCERT जिसको भी prepare करना होता है, non-humanities especially,
yes, sir.
Everyone will say read NCERT, but I find it little irrelevant to instance.
Okay.
Because not necessarily you need NCERT of all the subjects. Number
True.
one.
Yes.
Number two, NCERT कौन सी पढ़े? 6 से 12 तक इतनी सारी NCERT है. Third, अगर पढ़ भी ले तो NCERT पढ़ के तो पेपर क्लियर नहीं होगा फॉर श्योर, राइट? विच मींस जो पहला ही रिसोर्स आपने पढ़ा वही फोमो क्रिएट कर दिया कि भाई ये पढ़ के तो नहीं होने वाला है. So how do you start with that? Like look at some basic and then jump to the standard books?
See, talking about things, it's one thing that you said is correct कि सब सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए NCERT नहीं रिक्वायर्ड है. Class 6 NCERT नहीं required है. Something you need to understand. We are graduates. मतलब mostly graduates are coming here for preparation. And anyways who are not graduate, they are joining for fledgling जहाँ पे हम NCERTs cover कर रहे हैं. Already. So that's nothing to worry about. But if I talk about NCERTs, I think 9 to 12 NCERTs are sufficient. Specifically for subjects like geography, 11, 12 की NCERT more than enough. Polity के लिए Indian Constitution at Work, which is a one-time read. That is what I tell my students. एक बार पढ़ो, pick up the definitions, pick up the examples, just make a note out of it because then class notes यहाँ के and then yellow booklets enough because वो आपका cover कर देंगी और the Supreme Court judgments, relevant articles and that have been their case studies.
Books are updated every year for every batch.
हाँ. Talking about economics, introductory macroeconomics is an NCERT I would suggest students to go for because यहाँ पे जो terms होते हैं that are mentioned, they will be asked by UPSC any year. I think one term was there, marginal propensity to save. It was mentioned in a box and people generally say box skip कर दिया करो, नहीं पढ़ा करो. And in 2021 UPSC directly asked questions on that. Then you need to be very much updated with the NCERTs specifically. चलो ये 3 subjects क्या हो गए? Talking about history, either you stick to old or you stick to new. History नहीं बदल रही है. You have to understand that. History is just the same. Indus Valley में जो भी civilization में जो भी आज तक research or developments have taken place, जो भी findings है, they're same across the books. थोड़ी बहुत viewpoint can vary. To stick to any one source. इसके अलावा now we need to move to the standard book list. जैसे geography के लिए GC लिया होंगे, you can have just one book for that. Economics I don't suggest anything because here I was like faculty was good enough. I just refer to the class notes. And then geography के लिए GC लिया हो गया आपका. History के लिए then you can go for some books if you find them like some of them like Spectrum etc. are there always in the news. Go for them. Otherwise I don't think polity के लिए तो लक्ष्मीकांत some of you might be following but थोड़ा सा ठीक है बेसिक्स के लिए ही है.
बुक है वो.
हाँ वो थोड़ा सा मेंस के टाइम you'll have to upgrade a lot over लक्ष्मीकांत. बहुत ज्यादा आपको अपना वैल्यू एडिशन करना पड़ेगा. So that's what I say. बहुत बेसिक 3-4 बुक्स हैं NCERTs की. That should be on your fingertip. उसके साथ कोई मजाक नहीं. Then you can work on one standard source for everything, upgraded with your class notes that are here sufficient.
And then keep an eye on PYQs and the important terms, right?
Yeah.
Great. So Shakti, now these are all technical things that you told us.
Yes, sir.
Tell us something about optional. How you prepared optional?
My story for optional is because
coming from non-humanities,
and
PSIR. So how it all started?
Because the thing here is that initially first attempt I gave with no optional preparation at all. बिना optional choose किए दिया. So I went. Second attempt तक I decided that I'll be going with anthropology. To be very honest, because I was anthropology में we have that biology का थोड़ा portion, the genetics, evolution.
You coming from life sciences?
Biochemistry was my background, so I thought I should go with that. But that was a time, that was the attempt I realized this importance of interest in the subject. Coming from a bio background, I could not develop interest in anthropology at all. So second attempt got away like that. Then I decided कि अब based on my GS, because I was like very good with polity and I had interest in polity, current affairs always, like newspaper reading was something I used to do जब कुछ नहीं करना है. It was that interesting for me, a part of like I used to like reading newspaper. और उसमें then working upon the relations that are there and etc. So that was interesting. That was something that interested me. So I decided for PSIR, and I decided that this time I'll not be taking coaching because that was those COVID years जब online था. So I thought कि let's go खुद से. तो I went ahead to order some of the books from the market. थोड़ा कुछ हर coaching का जो polity का material होता है, थोड़ा I got the IGNOU का material downloaded and I started with the preparation on my own. One thing I followed was there was a Bajiram and Ravi का एक session जिसमें उन्होंने किया था preparation how to go about PSIR.
Yes.
जिसमें they told that start from thinkers.
I think that's a workshop done by the faculties, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That
I
was
think
one.
that we do it for all the optionals.
Yeah.
It is open for all also, I think.
Yes, sir. So that I got on YouTube only. So I went across that free. It was freely available. So I went कि क्या कैसे how I need to proceed because I was like कि चलो topic 1 से political theory से शुरू करते हैं. Until I came to know नहीं पहले thinkers should be done, ideology should be done, and then how it will be easier for you. हाँ, state आप कर लो, justice, liberty, equality तब करो. And that's when I got a chronology prepared. I got my notes. And I started reading on my own. And PSIR was such interesting that I literally compromised on GS at times because उतना interest था मेरा उसमें. But unfortunately I couldn't score good. Last year I had a bad marks. It was 230 only, but 231. But
so what made the difference this year?
This year what I did was that I realized this last year, since it was first attempt with PSIR as an option, I was working more on the notes. I was like busy with that. I did not update much of it with the previous year question. That I realized. And getting back home and realizing यार ये तो मतलब ये इनका एक पैटर्न है. I'll give an example. जैसे comparative politics में political cultural approach है, political economy approach है, and they have an alternate way of asking that. They take ये पूछा, that's one thing. So that is what I saw कि भाई ये भी तो कुछ normal patterns है that you should have gone through, and वो मैंने नहीं करा था. That was a basic issue. And this year I upgraded it with current affairs. That's why I did not join test series for PSI. Last year I joined one, but
you prepared all by yourself.
Yes. Sir. PSIR was something great. I did prepared on my own. Last year I joined a test series, but didn't help. This year I did not do anything for that. Current affairs का था module I used to pick up from the market जो मिल जाता था. And second thing, I worked on my PYQs very tirelessly. मतलब I just made notes out of the themes of previous year question, everything, so as to have it. And I created that one pagers. Students who come for mentoring, they know I tell them कि कैसे they are like मैम प्लेटो को कैसे एक पेज में करें. And I told them, and that was the pattern I follow कि भाई आप thinker लिखो, कुछ adjectives लिखो, and all the theories का बस name लिखो. If somebody is contradicting, write that. That's your notes. You don't need to detail the theories. The theory should be detailed in your brain. So I prepared notes also very properly this year. I updated them with current affairs, and I went along with the previous year questions. So that helped.
Great. It seems a good amount of hard work back home.
Yes, sir.
Which means no matter आपको जितना भी पढ़ाया जाए, खुद पे मेहनत करना.
Self study is something you can nobody can replace it in UPSC. I'll tell you. क्योंकि कोई कितना भी पढ़ा दे. Even if I take a responsibility of teaching someone from day 1 to the day they enter into the final list, तब तक भी they will also realize that will never be sufficient until they have worked on their own.
Absolutely. वो pictographic memory create करना भी बहुत important है.
Sir.
Okay, let me bombard the last question to you. So, with me, now you sit as rank 1.
Yes, sir.
Also a mentor of Vajiram.
Yes.
Also a student of Vajiram.
Yes, sir.
Looking at thousands of students of Vajiram.
Yes, sir.
What do you tell them? Tell them as a mentor, come rank 1, come student of Vajiram.
I'll just tell them one thing, that you are in the right hands, that you need to realize that you are at a very good platform. You need to be first regular. Second thing, please ask questions from the faculty as much as you can. We have asked them, they'll answer you. Just don't, be very attentive in the classrooms is something I'm trying to tell you. Be there. Come, mentoring program has, I think, started recently. Back then it was not there. Yes. And I can see that you students are really lucky that here people who have appeared for numerous mains, have appeared for multiple interviews, are the one guiding you. You never know, फिर कल कोई इनमें से rank 1 होगा, and then you'll be like, तब सुन ली होती बात तो it was. तो please listen to them. ठीक है, mentoring के लिए आओ, do your अच्छे से homework properly, focus on previous year questions, and the syllabus of UPSC should be in your brain, imprinted, so that whenever you're looking at anything, you know if it is relevant or not, and you don't waste time on asking people कि ये पढ़ना चाहिए, ये नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए. You should be the one deciding that for yourself.
Great. Satya, I think it was an awesome conversation.
Thank you, sir.
And I believe students must have got many things. And it's a great pleasure to see one of our students only sitting across.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you,
and I wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you and congratulations again.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.